Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So it is Friday at Formula Drift Round 1. If you guys saw some of the other videos, or maybe you're new to the channel and don't know, the R32 was not able to make it through customs in time. I just want to let you guys know, we had the car done New Year's Eve and dropped off in Long Beach the first week of January. So it's literally been 4 months. Myself and my team, as well as Buy Now Japan and the rest of our sponsors, we did everything we could to get the car here. But I still think it's a huge win that I'm standing here, because if you guys have been watching or know anything about travel to Japan right now, it's nearly impossible. I'm just thankful to be here, super stoked. Today's setup day, so I figured why don't we go check out the pits, see some of the cars that are here. There's some new drivers here as well, and including myself. So yeah, let's go kind of check it out, and I'll give you guys a little tour. We can also go walk the track, which will be really sick, because I've driven the track a bunch on Assetto Corsa, but never in real life. So let's see if it's the same or not. All right, we're pretty much at the very back of the pits. Let's start from here, and we'll roll through all of them, see kind of what we find. Oh, we're getting loud. I'm trying to film a YouTube video. I need to make that a sticker. Comment below if I should make that a sticker. Like trying to film a YouTube video or something. Oh, look at this guy. Well, if you like JZXs, there's literally 3 of them right there, so. They're so like, oh, watch, hold on. And a 4th one. I got you, Aaron. Oh, too much. My eyes! That's something that's really cool to me, and why I want to do FD Japan is the cars here, it's all like JDM cars, and that's what I love the most for drifting. And so like here, S15. This thing is sick too. I don't know if that's wrap or paint, but it's really dope. These boys need some 6XDs out here. Look, another JZX. Oh, this is special. RX-7 FD, that's cool. If only the R32 was here. Oh, another FD. Oh my God, they're everywhere. Pretty sick. I really like FDs. I would love to have one someday. Oh, this one's kind of cool. S15. I think there's something like 50 drivers or something, just ridiculous. We're gonna see a lot of freaking cars. They might not all make the cut. That's again up to Aaron. So if Aaron just despises one of these cars, he'll probably leave it out. Oh, here we go. Here's something different for us today. So if you guys are wondering what they're doing what's called a string alignment. It's a more portable, cheaper way to align a car than having like the electronic alignment system. They do have ones now that are portable. You basically just like square up the strings. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So you gotta find the positivity in everything, right? This is actually pretty damn cool. Like being here with no spectators, and if my car was here, like I would not be making this video touring the whole pits. But this is a pretty cool opportunity, like being able to actually walk through here freely. I don't know, this might be a first on YouTube. I don't wanna like flex, but it's like, we're like, look, we got the media, special media pass. That gets you in everywhere, baby. There we go, Kazama Auto team. Look at the headlights, it's cool. This thing's pretty rad, I'm not gonna lie. I really like RCFs. It's another car I've always wanted. So, side note, Linglong tire, I still haven't like decided on a tire sponsor. We're in between a couple and we're gonna try their tires and kind of see what works best with the car. But Linglong is apparently coming out with a new tire that's supposed to be super, super grippy and in a wide size. So I'm being told that I can't get anything wider than a 285, which I'm like, ooh. a 285 is not wide enough for the R32. Like that thing, that is so much power. But like Bolinos are apparently very grippy, and like some of the other ones aren't as grippy. So we'll see. The matching GR86s are a flex, I'm not gonna lie. So I hadn't really seen, because those are like pretty damn new, and I didn't go to Formula Drift US, and so I don't think I've seen any of the like Drift Spec Rocket Bunny kitted GR86s, and they look pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie, now that I've seen them in person. Oh, this is gonna be sick. So a bunch of the cars are in line for tech right now, so we can just kind of walk down the line. Check this out. Oh, this is pretty cool. Personally, I like never see these as drift cars, and it's actually pretty dope. Okay, this is cool. Cusco Supra. And then one of the TMR GR86s. This is Matsuyama. The orange is pretty freaking cool, I'm not gonna lie. God, this thing looks freaking good though. This color is cool, and I don't like orange all that much, but the like the flake in it, so good. I got in the way of the real media guys shot here. I'm gonna get kicked out. Like, I almost already got arrested on like day 2 in Japan. I'm gonna get kicked out, not even driving the first round of FD Japan. I'm just kidding. I'm not manifesting that. Oh, this is sick. You guys, A86. Yeah, I'll bet some of you guys are probably pretty stoked on that. All right, so we're almost through all the cars here, but we got Fausto Yukio's S15. Pretty sick. So he got the new Liberty Walk silhouette kit. I guess it's like a year old, but it looks pretty good. I'm like unsure about the front lip. It is like so long. I don't know. I'm like, if that thing clips off when we're transitioning, like it's not my problem, my friend. Well, we might as well check out a little practice. So practice is just getting started. Yeah, it hurts a little bit. I wish I was driving. It's all good. My plan for this weekend is to try to learn as much as possible. Try to meet people, even though my Japanese is terrible, and then really try my best at just like intaking everything, watching how everyone's doing things, make this a big learning experience this weekend. So, but yeah, let's freaking check out some practice. Okay, so after watching a little bit of practice, this is really like early on. People just kind of testing out the track, testing out gearing, all that kind of stuff. A couple of thoughts. I feel like the track the straight is a lot shorter than when I was driving on Assetto Corsa. It's a little hard to say because I'm obviously now spectating rather than driving, but watching guys go through and stuff, there's not like such a long time where you're trying to like hold it in like minimal drift. Another thing I noticed is a lot of people are washing out at the end, just like I experienced practicing in Assetto Corsa. Rather than coming here and just knowing nothing, just seeing some pictures and videos, it's like, I already have some experience on this track. It may not be quite the exact same, but I have some knowledge, and I know that it's really easy to wash out at the end, and I watched a bunch of guys do it, and so it's like, I'm ready for that, right? So that's something on my mind. Also, it's interesting, like looking at people's pit setups and stuff. The track setups are nice. A lot of people lay down like the flooring and stuff like that. A lot of guys do that here, like in D1 GP, but there's way less stuff. So the rigs are smaller, the pit setup's smaller. I don't think I've seen anyone with like the big side awning except for TMR. They have like a pretty crazy setup. It's just interesting. I'm taking it all in. It's kind of nice, honestly. Bring way less stuff. But yeah, so far so good. Let's keep checking everything out. I hope you guys are enjoying all the cinematics I've been taking. I've literally been filming all day. I'm like sunburnt. I feel like Aaron right now. Couple more things I've kind of noticed. Somebody just turned a fan on. Like I learned on Assetto, you definitely need to you definitely want to try to apex coming through that zone and then leave it right at the cone and then point straight towards like the apex, towards like the rumble strip, because that kind of helps you make an arc, go straight, and then flick it and make that last, that touch and go on the straight. I kept watching and I was like trying to predict. I was like, okay, when are they leaving the zone? Are they straight lining to the curbing? And the guys that right away didn't stay in it past and tried to straight line, they did a much better job of getting down the straight and then being able to add angle to slow themselves down and actually roll through that touch and go. I think I've literally seen one tandem and it's almost the end of the day, the practice day, so that's interesting. I mean, I know there's not gonna be a ton of tandem, but I would expect a little bit more, so I don't know. I'm just taking it all in. Well, that's the end of the day. I feel like now I'm in a news program since I set this thing up. My arms are freaking tired. Today was really good. I mean, for not driving, obviously. Just kind of watching how everyone runs their programs, how they go throughout the day. So I was just talking to Rochelle from Buy Now Japan, and now Wataru is interrupting my video. It's fine, it's fine. There were some guys that were really jamming out here and getting a lot of track time in, and then others who were just barely did any runs, but hopefully, you know, they got to where they want to be, because that's kind of the goal of today. Anyways, I think that's it for this video, but it was still fun for me. I feel like I learned a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Now that I moved to Japan, I'm doing a bunch of vlogging, a bunch of drifting, still doing reaction videos, still doing sim drifting, all sorts of fun stuff. Join me on this journey and subscribe and support your boy. All right, I love all of you so much. Thank you for all the support. See you tomorrow. Peace.